everyone. Hello everyone. Now today I start with remaining definition of this act. But yesterday I discussed about objective and definitions of this act. In that also see the history of this act. Objective to regulate the import of manufacture, distribution, sale of drug and cosmetic through licensing. This is the main objective of this act. Then other objective also see the manufacture, distribution and sale of drug and cosmetic by qualified person only, to prevent substandard in drugs, to regulate the manufacture and sale of Ayurvedic, Siddha and Unani drugs, to establish the drug technical advisory board DTAB and drug consultative committee DCC for allopathic and allied drugs and cosmetics. Then definitions in that pharmacy, Ayurvedic, Siddha or Unani drugs and drug. Then today the remaining definition I will discuss. Then our topic is the drug and cosmetics. So first definition is the drug, then second is the cosmetics. What is the cosmetics? Cosmetics means the article intended to be rubbed, poured, sprinkled or spray on or introduced into the otherwise applied to the human body or any part thereof, cleansing, beautifying, promoting attractiveness or altering the appearance, and includes any article intended for use of component of a cosmetics. The cosmetics, various cosmetic formulations, where powders formulations, shampoos, creams, perfumes. So cosmetics means the article. This is the articles intended to be from external rubbing to the skin, poured, sprinkle or sprayed on or introduced into the human body or any part of the body for for cleansing, beautifying, promoting attractiveness or altering the appearance, and include any article intended to be used as a component of a cosmetics. So next definitions, government analyst. Very important definition, very IMP definition, government analyst. It means two clause. It means first, in relation to Ayurvedic, Siddha or Unani drugs, government analyst appointed by central government or state government under section 33F. Various section in that, government analyst appointed by central government under section 33F. So in relation to second clause, in relation to any drug or cosmetic, government analyst appointed by central government or state government under section 20. First clause, it is a relation to the Ayurvedic, Siddha or Unani drugs. And second clause, in relation to drug or cosmetics. So section are different. First definition, section 33F, in relation to Ayurvedic, Siddha or Unani drugs. In section 20, in relation to the drug or cosmetics. So next definition, inspector. What is it? Inspector or drug inspector? Here two clause. First clause, in relation to Ayurvedic, Siddha or Unani drugs, government analyst appointed by central government or state government under section 33G. In relation to any drug or cosmetic, government drug inspector appointed by central government or state government under section 21. Here section are different, definitions same. Drug inspector or government analyst. The next definition, manufacturer. Who is the manufacturer? In relation to any drug or cosmetic, it includes any process. Manufacturer is the process or part of process for making, altering, ornamenting, finishing, packing, labeling, breaking up or otherwise treating or adopting any drug or cosmetic with a view of its sale or distribution. The formulation will be sell for this process, nothing but only selling drug. These are the process for sale of a drug or distribution, but does not includes any compounding or dispensing. Manufacturer is not includes the compounding and dispensing of any drug or cosmetics, or the packing of any drug or cosmetic in the ordinary course of retail business. It is not includes the any compounding and dispensing. Only it gives a part of process for making, altering, ornamenting, finishing, packing, labeling, breaking up, or treating or adopting any drug or cosmetic for the view of sale. The next definition, patent or proprietary medicine. What is a patent or proprietary medicine? In that two clause here. First, in relation to Ayurvedic, Siddha or Unani tip system of a medicine, all formulations only such ingredients mentioned in the formula described in the authoritative books of Ayurvedic, Siddha or Unani tip system of medicine specified in first schedule, but does not include some medicine which is administered by the parental routes, and also a formulation included in the authoritative book as per specified clause. Clause A. So these are the patentable or proprietary medicine in that, but this medicine which is the administered by parental routes uh, does not includes any parental formulation or any authoritative book specification. So next clause, a drug which a remedy or prescription presented in the form ready for internal or external administration of human being or animal, and which is not includes in the edition other pharmacopoeia for the time being, or any other pharmacopoeia authorized in the behalf by the central government after consultation with the Drug Technical Advisory Board constitution under section 5. So this will be internal or external administration of human being. This formulation, it does not includes any edition of Indian pharmacopoeial edition. So these are the two clauses, clause for patent and proprietary medicine. Next definition, misbranded drug. You know about drug, then what is a misbranded drug? Here three clause for this definition. These clauses are very important. In definition, three or any four clause, it will be right sequentially. In that misbranded drug, here three clause. First clause, if it is a so colored, the drug it will be so colored, coated, powdered or polished that damage is cancelled, or if any made by the appear a better or greater therapeutic value than it is really is. The drug it will be really, so it will be so color, coated, powder, it form misbrand. Then second clause, it is a not label in prescribed manner. Prescription label is a in a sequence or prescribed manner. It should be prescribed manner. Then third clause, it is a label or container occupying the drug bear any statement, design or device which make any false or misleading in any particulars. So any formulation it forms a container label or statement design, so it will be form misbranded of this formulation. So this image gives the what is the branded and what is the misbranded formulation. Next definition, adulteration, adulterated drug. Here six clause for adulteration, adulterated drug. In that first clause, it is consist in the whole or in part of any fatty, putrid or decomposed substance. First clause, in the formulation or in part of whole formulation of any fatty, filthy, faulty, putrid or decomposed substance forms the adulteration in drug. So, second clause, if it is been prepared, packed or stored under insanitary condition, whether by it may have been contaminated with filth or whereby it have been rendered injurious to the health. Third clause, if its container is composed in whole or in part of poisonous or deleterious substance which may render the content injurious to health. Next clause, if it is beer contains for purpose of coloring only a color other than one which will be prescribed. If it contains a harmful or toxic substance which may be rendered its injurious to health. If any substance has been mixed therewith so as to be reduce its quality or strength. You know about adulteration. These are in the drug also a adulteration form. So these 6 clause are important for this adulteration drug. So this for today's lecture. Next definition you will see tomorrow lecture. So today you will see definition of cosmetics. Cosmetics is the article. It will be intended for human being for rub, pour, sprinkle or spread to the human body. Then government analyst appointed by central government under section 33F or 20. Then drug inspector. Then manufacturer is the process for making formulation for a sale. Then patent and proprietary medicine, it is a authorized the patent for proprietary medicine. Then misbranded drug, it will be from the colored, coated, powder or polished and damage the the reality of the drug. Then last definition, that is a adulterated drug, adulteration form in the drug. So thank you for this today's lecture. You will see tomorrow lecture.